So the Trump administration in the United States is threatening academic freedom. This claim by the European Commission and some MEPs here is pure hypocrisy. Where was the outcry from the EU and the academia in Europe when more and more non-leftist scientists in the US were dismissed or forced to resign by their radical colleagues and the left-wing student mob simply because they didn't bow to the woke ideology? Bret Weinstein, Joseph Manson, Mike Adams even committed suicide. The wokeness virus has taken over US academia, and in Europe it's also widespread, including its cancel culture. If President Trump now takes action against the intolerant and unscientific gender ideology, if he stops DEI programs that discriminate white people and also restricts the dogmatic, almost religious climate research, then he's taking measures that help restore scientific freedom, not suppress it. We need such measures in Europe too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.